Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch live football on your YouTube TV on your smart TV. So if you want to watch the live football, what you can do is you can simply go to the search bar on the top right corner. And in the search bar, you can type in football, or you can type in live football as well. And then it is going to show you all of the results for the football. You can scroll down to see the live games that are currently playing the football live on your YouTube TV. You can select any game and click on join live. And it is going to start playing the live football on your smart TV. So I hope this answered your question and this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.